Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming by. If you're new here, my name is Leah. In this channel we talk about beauty, fashion, money saving tips, how to make money online and all that. If you like this kind of content, please be sure to check this video till the end. Also consider subscribing if you haven't already. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for all the support. I really do appreciate you. So in today's video, we are going to talk about 10 work from home jobs that you can do, whether you are working and you have extra hours after work, or you are a stay-at-home mom and you want to earn more money, or you want to earn extra money at home while taking care of your kids. This is the video for you. All right, so let's get into the video. So the first work from home job that I can recommend, because I have done it, is teaching English online. So there are many platforms that you can teach English online if you are an English speaker, and if you have a certification that you've done English in your high school, or you're an advanced English teacher. You can earn money by teaching English online. Platforms like Proofreading, where you can have jobs, that you can get jobs from all over the world. There are a lot of kids, a lot of people who are trying to learn English as their second language, and you can teach that. You can earn money, and it ranges from $15 to $30 per hour, depending where you are. So Preply is a good platform where you can earn money by teaching English online. There is a lot of material. Even if probably you don't know the details or you are not advanced, you can have a lot of courses that you can do online to make sure that you are well, you have the skills, you have the knowledge, and you can advance your skill set. If you're a stay-at-home mom, you can try and learn some basic skills. There is a lot of places where you can learn how to teach English, including YouTube itself, so that you get more information and more knowledge. So also another platform where you can teach English online is Upwork. You can also find people who are looking for an English tutor. Another job that you can do from home, or you can work from home, is virtual assistant. So virtual assistant is helping an entrepreneur or a business person with administrative tasks, like managing their documents, or writing emails and doing all that. So virtual assistants you can earn from, let's say, I think $20 to up to $30 per hour. So that is another way that you can work from home, and you can work for multiple people, and you can make your task in accordance to the time that you have available, and you can also choose when to pick up jobs. So virtual assistance is a very flexible online job that you can do, and you can also it can help you also to learn more skills, like administrative skills, which there are a lot of platforms that offer such services, like LinkedIn Learning, where you can have a lot of skills and you can learn and pay really small money to get a new skill. Another job to consider is proofreading. If you like reading and you like to be precise and pay attention to detail, this is a good job to take up as a side hustle, also as as a job. If you're a work from home mom, this is a good job. Or if you work from home, this is a good job to take up. Proofreading is really good for people who are writing books and they want someone to proofread, and in case of any mistakes, you can point that out, and people get, on average, let's say you can get from $20 to $25. So that's a good way of earning extra income. So if you enjoy writing, becoming a freelance writer is a good idea, especially if you have a niche that you really enjoy writing about. If it's cooking, if it's fitness, if it's any niche that you can write about, finance, skincare and all that. So if you're a freelancer, there are platforms that you can get jobs to write about, and this you can find also on Skillshare. You can have on Upwork. You can also have Fiverr, where you can get people who want content written in a particular niche, and then you can do that and earn extra income. Another job to consider, or a work from home job, is to start your own online store. And I keep saying many of my other videos that I've talked about money and how to make money, there are good websites that you can start, and you really don't have to spend so much. So these websites are like Etsy, where you can do handcrafted if you are talented, or if you have stuff that you want to sell. And we have Etsy. You can sell on eBay. You can also sell on Amazon. You can sell on Marketplace. So you can create your online store where you'll be selling your stuff that probably you create. Or if you're buying low and selling high, this can be a good platform to work from home and earn extra money by buying things. And I have said this before, you can buy things from either websites like Alibaba, or you can buy stuff from AliExpress and sell on a high scale and earn your money. If you have a skill to make a website, why not do it? Or even if you don't have a skill and you're open to learning, there are a lot of platforms where you can learn a skill. And let's say if you are interested in web designing, you can learn that and start earning money from getting clients, getting people who want to, create websites. And these days, there are a lot of people who want to create websites because people are going on the digital world. So someone wants to create a website, and you can charge at a good price so that you're competitive enough and start earning extra income. Another job to consider is a social media manager. Now, the influencer world and the digital world is booming. So people are looking for someone who has, the knowledge and the skills to manage their social media. Now, if you are that kind of a person and you have a good presence on social media, you can be a social media manager, and you can earn money from that additional income while you work from home. Or if you want to grow your social media and you want to reach the right people in your niche, you can have a social media manager to do that. If you have graphic design skills, looking for someone who can, help them with a good outro, a good intro, all that. Someone is looking for, a good platform where they can work with someone on the graphic design aspect. And if you have a skill on that, or if you're interested, you can learn from the internet. I mean, you can learn. There are a lot of platforms where you can learn from, and you can display your services, and you have clients, working for people who want your graphic design skills. A lot of people out here are looking for someone to help them write their resume. The job market has become very competitive, and someone is looking maybe to, change their job or change their career, and they want a really good set up resume. And if you have that kind of, knowledge, if you're able to do that, why not display your services and get people so that you can have additional income? Or you can do it also as a part-time and earn extra money. Like, if let's say I want to send my CV, and I think I am not very sure about how my CV looks, I can just go to Upwork, or I can go to Fiverr or Skillshare and look for someone who can do that for me while I'm doing something else, and I get that job done because that person has more skill and understands how to do it, and they get paid out of that. So that marks the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section what you think is, very flexible for you. And also, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed and